In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Canva website URL. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First, open up your web browser and head over to Canva's official site. It's the one-stop destination for all your designing needs. Once the page has loaded, if you're not already signed in, you'll want to click on the Login button. It's typically located at the top right corner of your screen. Enter your account credentials and log into your account. After logging in, you're taken to the Canva home. This is where all the magic begins. From here, navigate to the Projects tab. This tab is your command center for all your saved designs and projects. Click on it and you'll see a list of all your previously created ones. Now it's time to select the project for which you wish to change the website URL. Browsing through your project, simply click on the one that you're looking to update. Doing so will open up all the options specific to that project, providing you with the flexibility to tweak and manage your design. Once you select the project, look for the Share button. This option is crucial as it contains the settings for sharing your project online. By clicking on Share, you're allowing others to see your creativity. Next, amongst the sharing options, you'll want to click on Website. This is how Canva designs transform from being just projects to fully accessible websites that anyone can view on the web. Finally, look for the Site Address URL option. This is where you'll be focusing on making your change. Clicking on Site Address URL will let you input a new web address, reflecting your updated details or intentions for the site. Make sure it reflects the branding you're going for, matches any promotional material, or simply aligns with what you want your audience to remember. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your Canva website URL. Remember that updating this URL ensures seamless access for those visiting your site, so keep the link straightforward and easy to remember. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Feel free to explore more of Canva's features and get creative with your projects. Until next time, keep designing inspired.